Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Luxury Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Luxury Bank Login. After you make search, you'll find Home under Luxury Bank. Just click here. Now, all you have to look is on the top right corner of your screen and you'll find Access Account. Just click here and click on Luxury Bank Digital. After that, you'll be redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your user ID and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and simply log in this button. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.